What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is Saturday down here. It's pretty miserable outside and it's actually really cold, so we're just down here at the shed. Got a few things we need to get done because we have Mad Mike Summer Bash coming up next weekend, which we're going to again take both cars and we're going to try and qualify in the comp. Top 16 only qualify, so it is pretty tough to get in there. There are a lot of good drivers going and a lot of pros and stuff, so we do have a bit of just a cleaning up to do on this car, but we do have Kenda have hooked us up with a bunch of these KR20AX, these Vesda 265 semis, and also given us a bunch of stuff to give away, stickers, t-shirts. We've got a few other things in the box down there, so yeah, make sure you guys do come down and come by our pit setup and, you know, come grab some freebies. But we yeah, this car just needs a good cleanup really. Like nothing really, it doesn't need much, but just from the victory skid, it's got a bit of rubber all up the side. That's a little bit of damage that we got from Ra, from when I hit him, and then his wheel just did a burnout on my wheel. So this is just rubber, so it should just rub off. We should be able to wax and grease it off or something, and everything should be great there. So what we're going to do is take the rear tyres off there, put another set on because we have a pair of 265 semis to go on this car, and then we've got to get all of these ones changed. We'll head to RPM Fabrication, go see Russell, and get all those tyres changed today hopefully. He said later on, so we'll see how we get on. The Laurel needs a new set of tyres, but we do have this half-worn set that we're going to just chuck on that because that's all that car needs. These will be good for it, just some 235 radials. And then we've just got a bunch of other ones that need to be changed and taken off. We'll just take these tyres off and then leave these rims without tyres on them, I think. I just need to get rid of all the scrap tyres, so yeah, we'll take these because I just want to kind of get rid of those. And we've got some KR20As, which is the old Kenders that we used to have, so I'm going to just run those in practice as well, just to kind of get rid of them. But yeah, we've got a whole bunch of strong wheels that we need to do, the new ones that haven't even had tyres on them yet, so they're nice and clean. Yeah, so we'll just kind of get into that, take the tyres off that, take the wheels off that, and we should be good. Right, and Steph's going through our merch room and stuff. So we have a whole bunch of hats to give away. These are from the Warehouse Auto Parts. We're going to have our flags for sale and the Jimmy merch as well. So bring cash. Yeah, bring cash, yeah, because we don't have an FBOSS machine. But a bunch of stickers and lanyards and stuff as well. So yeah, come get amongst it. So Grant's over here giving us a bit of a clean up. We have this Lucas stuff from Warehouse Auto Parts. It's actually real mean, just to give, because the car actually didn't need a wash as such. It just needed a wipe down to clean it up. We do need to get the wheel, some wax and grease remover for that and this stuff, but it does, like, yeah, it makes it pretty good for just a wipe down, you know. So it didn't get that scratch out or that crack or that dent or that bit of missing paint or that bit of broken fiberglass or that or that or that. But it's still good. Alright, sweet. So yeah, we got the Laurel's actually going to spray and clean up now, but I don't think this car needs anything for the weekend. So I think what we're going to do today, yes it's Saturday, but just to kind of, because we have the trailer in here, we might as well just load it onto the trailer and then back it back in here, because then that gets it out of the way and we can use this space. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this car doesn't need anything, I hope. We did do that oil filter swap on it last weekend, which made it a lot better. So and then if we do get to drive it, we're going to put a couple of sets of tyres. It's got a half set on it now and we've got another half set to go, so that should be fine and enough. And then we're using the 13 for the comp, so we can't double class this one, so yeah, it's all good. So we've got our tyres are all over here, getting ready to go. We'll go to Russell's to go get them changed later on, but yeah, we might as well just load the Laurel up because it's good to go. We just going to chuck all our goodies that we've got in it because it's 4-door, which is so good. So so we've got our spare trailer wheel in there and some spare oil, but yeah, at least we can use that as a bit to get around, and then we can load the tyre rack up and stuff, and then this trailer is good to go. So just kind of trying to be ahead. Yeah, we've got a bunch of stuff in here. Look at these massive Kinder stickers. Whew. So yeah, come grab some. We've got a whole bunch of goodies. Some Casper transmissions goodies, stickers, Kinder bags. Yeah, everything's sick. It's gonna be good. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is actually make some bags up that have some Kinder goodies in it. We've got some choice event stuff in here, hats and whatnot. So if you come and purchase something off us, you will receive a bag like this, which will have some goodies in it. So yeah, if you guys come check out our pit and buy some the Oaks Garage merch or a Nobori flag or whatever, you guys can walk away with a Kinder bag full of other extra goodies for free. So yeah, make sure you guys do that. Come check us out. We've got heaps of just stickers and t-shirts and bigger stickers, hats and stuff. So yeah, come check it out.
So this is to go right over your driver's side of your windscreen?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
On the Ford! But no, because Marshall sold his one. He's a chicken. He's a chicken. He can't handle it. Can't handle it. There you go, Grant.
For one Ford and
One Ford. Look at that. Bingo. Alright, so bit of a change of plan since the last clip. Or whatever. We were talking about going to Russell's to grab to do all our tyres, but we thought, oh sweet, we're talking about it. Oh, it's a bit annoying. And hello, we got a tyre machine, thanks to yours truly, my Christmas present. So managed to go grab a. No worries. But yeah, managed to get a tyre machine off Marketplace that's pretty much brand new. So yeah, sick. So we're going to move it over to there. But I can hear a rotary turn up down the driveway. Who is this? Oh, it's Tristan. Crack up. He might have his forklift. He might have a forklift. Yeah, well Tristan, we'll just go ask him. But yeah, we need to move Josh's Cummins out of the way and put it over there. But yeah, cleared this area, moved all these tyres out of the way. I'm gonna put the tyre machine here, and everything should be great. But yeah, we're on. We're just gotta learn how to use it now.
What are you gonna do? So Grant, what's the go?
oh, you know, a little bit of Kiwi ingenuity. Because the old forklift's got no grunt. RV swap coming soon.
What's that?
Grabbing the D-Max. Use the D-Max first.
Only take the best. We can grab the fucking product.
Let's get it.
Now Leo, go ahead up there. Tristan, you ready? Right, so the time machine is like not kind of doing what we want at the moment with my absolute lack of skill is been terrible. So I was like, oh sweet, like my car's been outside warming up. So Leo, chuck the clip in here. What the hell we got up to just then? Naughty.
That'll do it.
Yeah, I don't know, that just kind of happened. So yeah, it is what it is. So we got the Laurel on the trailer because that doesn't need anything this week, I believe. So we're just gonna load up now. We have the golf cart ready with tables, the tents, everything we need for that, so we can take the golf cart so we can not have to walk everywhere. But Laurel's good to go pretty much, I think, I hope. Yeah, I don't know, that skid was a little bit naughty, but it's alright. I don't know, that was weird. I don't know why I did that, but it's all good. Smoked out the shed, but we're good. Look, just did a big one-wheeler. Nah, I swear there's the other one under there. Yeah, fuck, it makes a mess though. Like these semis just like yeah, it's crazy. It wasn't even that long. Oh well. Sorry my love. More? Oh, I don't know. Oh, when we get home. When we get home from Summer Bash, surely. But yeah, oh well, what a bit of a laugh. But yeah, we have all these tyres and everything here. It's yeah, I don't know, my lack of skill, or I don't know if the machine's just not quite up to it. Yeah, I don't know, damn it. We're just gonna get Hex to come down, and he's obviously our tyre guy normally, so hopefully if he can't do it, then all good, and then we're gonna have a problem. Or if he can do it, we can just have to learn a bit of technique. But yeah, we're just getting all kind of loaded up and put everything away really. It's been a good day. Alright, so time to knock off. Got the car on the trailer, that's all good, that's put away. We'll just wait for our tyres to be done, bang them on the rack. Just put the 13 over here in Zach's spot while his is on the hoist. And yeah, we're all good. It's just, it's been a successful day, other than obviously our time machine or our lack of ability to be able to actually do them. I managed to strip like the 17s with a bigger sidewall and stuff, but don't know about the 18s. Yeah, fuck, I don't know. We'll see. See what Hex is going to come down tomorrow now, so hopefully he can have a look and sort it out, and yeah, we'll be able to go from there. But yeah, it's all good. This car's good, bloody good car. Did a little ruck. Yeah, Leo's got to have to sweep up all this rubber that he made a mess. Yeah, so Leo's got to clean up. But yeah, all is good. Got fuel. And yeah, well, then we'll be good to go. But for now, I think I'm going to leave you guys here, just so we can get these videos up and kind of keep ahead of the curve. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We have a busy week ahead next week with work and stuff, so I don't think I'm going to film much before Summer Bash. So if you guys do manage to come, Mad Mike Summer Bash at Hampton Downs on Saturday, please do come along, come say hi. Come grab a poster, stickers, whatever we've got up there, grab some merch. Please, if you can, bring cash, because that makes it a lot easier, as we don't have an FPOS machine. But really, other than that, just, yeah, thanks to obviously Grant and Leo, Steph today for their help, and yeah, it should be good. Fingers crossed Russell can get his card done for the weekend, and yeah, all is good. So yeah, thanks heaps, guys. Please make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.